In this video, we're going to talk about why you need to be friends with your local foreclosure attorney, why you need an insider on your team, and always offer odd number prices.
This is Mike Marino, and I help other airline pilots achieve that second source of income by helping them invest in real estate.
Make friends with your local foreclosure attorney. Before anything foreclosure-wise, pre-foreclosure-wise goes on Zillow, that person who's in foreclosure has to go see an attorney first. So if you become friends with a local attorney and let you know that you can solve their client's problems by buying their property, get them out of foreclosure, you can solve the attorney's problem because now they don't have to do nearly as much work and they still get paid the fee from the person who's in foreclosure. And of course, you win because now you get a property that's off market with no competition. Make sure you're friends with your local foreclosure attorney. Put an insider on your team. I keep talking about the importance of building a team in real estate. It's so important if you're going to scale and get off-market properties. Now, what does City Hall have? City Hall is full of a lot of people, politicians or clerks, where they're in the know. And more importantly, they're on the inside. They know all the other real estate investors. They know all the property developers. They know the attorneys, the CPAs. Get them on your team. Not only can they help you network, but if you're going to a seller to negotiate, what if you bring one of your friends who happens to be in the know of everything in the town to the meeting? All of a sudden, you're no longer an outsider because you brought an insider friend. Believe me, Tyler and I did this trick in Key West and it works. All of a sudden, he labeled us as locals.
Offer odd number prices. What does that mean? Let's say I offer you $100,000 for this house versus I offer you $101,953. When I give you that weird, that odd number, it communicates that I've done my due diligence, I've done my math, and this is my bottom line, like down to the dollar. I'm not throwing, 150, 170, which everybody knows is a ballpark, that there's probably room to negotiate. So when you're negotiating and you give those hard numbers, it gives the impression that that is your bottom line.
Boom! Hope you enjoyed those 3 tips from my real estate investing coach. Stand by for more videos as we make the count up to 100 real estate investing tips from my coach to you for free.